Pleasant day everybody! How are you? Pagkatapos ng Pasko, kumusta ang post-Pasko pakiramdam? They will be featuring our presents na natanggap natin at yung iba hindi pa natin na-unbox. So this will be the part 1. You know, I find joy in giving pero honestly nakakakilig din makatanggap ng mga regalo. Mga regalo na binigay sa atin, nakain na, naubos na, nagamit na. So if you don't find your presents among the gifts that we'll be featuring, so alam nyo na. Eto, mainit-init pa talaga dahil ito ay kumatok sa ating pintuan. Binigay sa atin just an hour ago as of this filming of this video. Yan. Sige, labas natin. And okay, pants. Yes. Wow, pang formal pants. My licorice. Sweet licorice, not salty one. At meron pang, wow, argan. Parang body wash. Okay, ano naman ito? So, maraming salamat sa nagbigay. You know who you are. Ay, ang cute ng color. Robe. Ayan. Wow, nice. So, dumako na tayo sa iba. Merong art stuff. Meron ding mga pang kitchen, towel, at saka pot holder. Meron ding mga pampaganda. Ayan, may mask. Mga pampa-beauty, mga pabango, may lotion, may perfume, at marami pang mga pampaganda. Ayan, meron ding hat. I need that sa summer. Okay, oy, ito, Elizabeth Arden. At meron ding scented candle. Okay, meron din mga party wine, bottles ng mga party wine. Ayan. May champagne. Pwede kayo itong ipadala sa Pinas. So, I'm giving you the idea. Of course, hindi naman lahat ng mga gifts ninyo minsan magagamit. So, asking permission na i-re-gift natin at ipa-raffle, okay? Alam nyo na. Ayun, another baking muffin form. At ito naman from Australia, cork placements, pwede lagyan ng cheese or fruit. Ito naman, may chocolates. Ito is gua sha, no? Pang facial massage. Okay, ay ang cute ng mug. Parang usong-uso yata ang print na ito ngayon sa mga plates, bowls, mugs. Oy, merong bookmarks. And then another mug siya. This one, chocolate cola. Caramel, chocolate caramel. Meron ding sweater. Ayan, lagay natin dito ang bracelet para makita na may heart na pendant. At ito, very memorable talaga dahil nawala yung aking cross last time. At tingnan nyo, may pumalit. So, you know, ang lesson na learn dito. The lesson is do not keep something or do not invest in anything that you can't afford to lose. Of course, as human as we are, no, nalulungkot tayo pag merong nawawala. Pero ika nga, lilipas din ang lahat. Weather lang. Minsan masaya, minsan malungkot. Ang kalungkutan ay lumilipas din kahit ang kasiyahan ay lumilipas din. So before we end, ano ang lesson ng Christmas? So ano ang ating reflection this Christmas as a season of giving and sharing? We know that the very essence of Christmas centers around the birth of Jesus Christ, whose life was dedicated to service and selflessness. And you know, great things come from small packages, as tiny as a baby boy who was wrapped in love and was laid in a manger. But in fact, he's the gift of love, the gift of joy. Jesus exemplified the power of giving, not just material possessions, but also of one's time, love, and forgiveness. Beyond the tangible acts of giving, Christmas encourages a deeper reflection on the importance of generosity in our everyday lives. Of course, thankful ako sa mga regalo na aking natanggap. However, Ultimately, the true meaning of Christmas lies not in the accumulation of material possessions, but in the joy of giving, the spirit of compassion, and the recognition that true happiness comes from serving others. Special thanks also sa ating mga families, friends, and acquaintances na nangumusta, nag-greet, online and offline, at sa mga nag-comment, kahit hindi natin ma-replyan ng isa-isa, maraming salamat po. A little transition sa ating vlog next year. So, I'll be focusing on most of the time sa food, surprise na lang. So, abangan nyo po. Basta, maraming salamat sa patuloy nyong panonood at pagsuporta. Enjoy every moment and take care always. From Team Lal and Team Sweden, ingat po tayo lagi. Peace, joy, and love, and God bless us all.